This is Dr. Robert Young. I am looking at a live blood sample under phase contrast microscopy. We're looking at red blood cells, which are the round solid disc, and then we're looking at some white elongated forms. These are M-form or mycelial forms of yeast. This is a common thing that happens when there's a compromise of the internal environment. Yeast is born out of the red blood cells. These are highly virulent, aggressive. They literally use up your energy and waste in your blood plasma. It's also associated with symptoms such as fatigue or tiredness, poor circulation. These are associated with infections, but they're actually outfections where these yeast forms are breakdown products of the blood cells. They can change their form. They swim through the blood plasma quite aggressively. They can interact with other yeast. They can actually combine with those yeast and take on their properties. This one is now beginning to change. So you're going to see a pleomorphic change take place here as this rod bacteria appears to be shortening slightly and gradually as it's going through a biological transformation.